Hello, my name is Scott Baker and I'm a ukulele tutor. I've been teaching at Orffennaf Hall, an adult education class. I just want to let you know about a beginner's ukulele taster session happening on the 9th of July from 1 till 3 in the afternoon. That'll be on Zoom, and we'll put a link at the end of this video for you to click on to enrol for that or to find it. And a little bit further into the future, we're going to do a course or a class, hopefully from September onwards. That'll either be a face-to-face physical class or another online class, which we'll do on Zoom. So again, we'll put the links there for you to find that. But yeah, so those two events are happening soon, and hopefully see you then. So I thought I would show you a couple of chords to get you started. If you have an instrument and it's in tune, the first chord is a C7 chord. All you have to do is take your first finger, first fret, first string. First finger, first fret, first string. And then, can you strum all of the strings? Oh yeah? You have a chord, C7. Great. Moving on, we have another chord to show you. First finger, move that to the second string, first fret. And then your second finger, the middle finger, put that on the fourth string, second fret, so you have two fingers. And again, give it a strum. There we are. We have F, F major, move that to the first chord, C7. So we can use those two chords to accompany a song. So, see if you recognise this song. Hush little baby, don't say a word, Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. So, as you can see, it's a very instrument to play, very easy. All you need is a couple of chords and you have a song. Perfect. So that's the kind of thing you'll be doing on the course that will be running from September onwards, and maybe even in the taster session that we're doing next month on Zoom.